In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Chrome and restore settings. If your browser feels sluggish, your homepage keeps changing, pop-ups are getting in the way, or something just doesn't look right, a reset can quickly bring Chrome back to its original state without removing your important data. First, open Chrome and look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots, also known as the More menu. This opens the main menu where all of Chrome's tools and options live. Next, click on Settings. This takes you to Chrome's control center where you can manage everything from privacy to appearance. We're heading straight to the section that returns Chrome to its defaults. In the settings page, find and click on Reset Settings. Depending on your version of Chrome, you'll see it in the left sidebar or within the main list of options. This area is designed specifically for cleanup and troubleshooting, so you're in the right place. Now, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Before you confirm, here's what this does. Chrome will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will disable all extensions, which is helpful if an add-on is causing issues, and it will clear temporary data like cookies and site data. What it won't do is delete your bookmarks, history, or save passwords. Your personal stuff stays intact, but the environment goes back to a clean slate. When you're ready, click on Reset Settings to confirm. Chrome will apply the changes right away. This usually takes only a few moments. After the reset, you may notice you're signed out of some sites because cookies were cleared, and your extensions will be turned off. If you rely on certain extensions, you can return to the extensions page later and re-enable only the ones you trust. This is a great time to be selective and keep things lean for better performance. Once the reset completes, try opening a few tabs, search the web, and check that your homepage and search engine look normal again. If something still seems off, the issue might be tied to a specific extension or a separate program on your device, but in most cases, this reset solves common problems quickly. That's it, simple and effective. You clicked the three dots, went into Settings, opened Reset Settings, chose Restore Settings to their original defaults, and confirmed with Reset Settings. Your Chrome should now feel fresh, stable, and ready to go. And